What's up, guys? It's Jenn from Rezinspired. Welcome back. These are the pieces you're getting ready to see, and I just want to show you how much of a difference the Brite Tone has on stuff like this. I mean, it has already like a, I don't know, like a matte sheen using the other components, the glittins and everything mixed into the Brite Tone. It does kill the shine a little bit, but the Brite Tone can be used as a varnish if you don't want a resin. So like I said, they're using it on tumblers and instruments. I actually have a guitar I'm getting ready to do. This was the first guy I did, and I wasn't really happy with it. You can't always pour Picasso. But this is the third and final one, and it's always like the third one is the charm because I just absolutely love that. And you can see I've gotten my mix, even though it feels thick when you're mixing it, my mix is thin enough to where you can still see the grains of the wood and everything, and I like that. Here is my main go-to stuff besides, I don't want to leave out primary elements because their art pigments are phenomenal as well. And you can mix these guys in with the art pigments. These are pre-dispersed mica pigments. They're wet. They have to be dispersed again with the Brite Tone, but all of that is in my recipe document. So for this pour, we used mostly red, black, and then blue to make a couple colors. I used red by itself. I used blue blue and green I mixed together to make like a phthalo blue green shade. As I've said before, they are strong enough to tint house paints. These guys can be used to make any acrylic paint, colorant, high flow, tube paint, you name it. You can use these to make them metallic. This guy right here, I went a totally different route with, and you'll see that in a second. Instead of just the typical puddles in the center and then blowing it out, or a line with a blow dryer, I really wanted to switch it up. So I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you some ideas to really do something different. I've been on the blooms for a long time. I gotta either switch it up or go to something else. I do have resin pigments. I got a bunch of resin pieces that I need to complete, and then I'll be posting them as well. So I hope you'll hang with me. And on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Thanks so much, guys. Here we go. All right, here we go.